Hello everyone, I'm Colin from Beatus Sourcing. For over 15 years, I've been helping international clients navigate the complexities of sourcing from China. We're a sourcing agent based in Guangzhou, the center of the Greater Bay Area, what most people know as the world's factory. I started this business with a simple, clear idea. Apply my years of knowledge in sourcing, supply chain, and global trade to help my clients get high quality products at smart price without risk or headaches. We provide a seamless end-to-end procurement solution, from finding the right vendors and auditing factories to price negotiation, quality control, and logistics. Basically, we make sure your goods show up as expected, safely, and on time. Seeing is believing. That's why we offer a hands-on tour service for clients who want to dive deep into the supply chain of China. We'll be your business guide on the ground, taking you directly to the factories, wholesale markets, and exhibitions that matter to your business. We handle everything: the transportation, the schedule, the interpretation, and the whole order following up process. We're a real local team here, not just speak Mandarin and English, but also Cantonese. 我們嘅團隊不僅能說普通話、英語，而且我哋仲講白話。We have in-depth knowledge in China's industrial landscape, markets, and real manufacturers. We're here to make sure your trip is productive. Located in the center of China's manufacturing clusters, we source a wide range of products. Whether you are looking for furniture and construction machinery, clothes, handbags, and beauty products, or high-tech electronics and robotics, we connect you directly with the best manufacturers in China. Visit Beatus.com to see how we can work together. I'm about to launch a series of videos sharing my 15 years insider knowledge on sourcing from China and tips for startups. I'll be revealing practical, actionable strategies that you won't find anywhere else. If you are ready to level up your business, please click the like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any question, you can leave comment below or reach out via email. We're open to collaboration opportunities. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.